Hello students, I am going to create this video for creation of data frame. So there are different methods of creating data frame. So I will discuss all the different methods in this video. So the first method is creating a data frame with 2D dictionary having value as list. Means I will create the data frame using the dictionary which will have the value as a list. So you can see here, so first we will create the dictionary and then using the dictionary we will create the data frame. So first of all we will import panda as PD and then create the dictionary. Dictionary name is dict. Dictionary contains two value, a pair of value, that is key and value. So a student is the key and this value which is as a list is the value of this student key. So we have three key value pairs: marks and their value, sports and their value. So these are the three pair of value in this dictionary. So using these data we are creating the dictionary. So after creating the dictionary, that's name is dict, we will create or convert this dictionary into data frame. Here the data frame function is used to convert the dictionary into data frame. So use the pd.dataframe and then dictionary name written inside the bracket, and that is being stored in the df, that is data frame. And when you print the df you will get the data frame. Data frame is the 2D data containing rows and columns, several rows and several columns. So in this way you can create a data frame using the 2D dictionary having the value as a list. So this is the one method of creating the data frame. Same data frame with the different index. आपने देखा इसमें इस डेटा फ्रेम के अंदर जो इंडेक्स है वो 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 दैट इज़ द डिफ़ॉल्ट इंडेक्स. अगर आप इस इंडेक्स को चेंज करना चाहते हैं तो फिर आपको इंडेक्स ऐड करना पड़ेगा. While creating the data frame you have to not only add the dictionary name but also add the index. So here index is added. So whatever index you will add here, that will be displayed as the index in your new data frame. So this is the same method of creating data frame with the 2D dictionary having value list with different index, the desired index. Earlier in the previous slide, in this slide, the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But in place of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, if you want to use the different index, then you can add the index along with the dictionary name. So this is the one way of creating a data frame. Next method is creating the data frame using 2D dictionary having value as dictionary object. मतलब अब डिक्शनरी से ही डेटा फ्रेम बनाना है, पर उसके अंदर जो डिक्शनरी वैल्यू होगा वो भी डिक्शनरी ही होगा. तो पहले हम लोग डिक्शनरी क्रिएट कर लेंगे. सो वी हैव क्रिएटेड 3 डिक्शनरी year 2015, 16, 17 having the value key and value pair, 4 pairs in each dictionary. You can see key and value pairs. So 3 dictionaries created. Using these 3 dictionary we are again creating a dictionary having key and value. Key that will display as a column and value the name of the dictionary which is already created. year 2015, year 2016, year 2017 is the dictionary name that is already created, and these 2015, 2016 and 17 are the column name. So one dictionary again, one more dictionary is created using this dictionary name, and then this dictionary is converted into data frame. So using the data frame function, write the dictionary name which is created, and then data frame is created. And when you print the data frame variable name, you will get the data frame. So this data frame is created with the 2D dictionary having the value as dictionary. So this is the 2D dictionary which have the value, this value as a dictionary object, right? So this is the way you can create the data frame from the 2D dictionary having the value as dictionary. Now move to the next method. The next method is creating a data frame object from a 2D array. Array is already discussed how to create array in the NumPy chapter. So I am not going to discuss again how the array can be created. So import the Panda for creating the data frame, and import the NumPy for creating the array. So here the array is created with the name of AR, and without NumPy array cannot be created. So NumPy is imported and Panda is imported for creating the data frame. So first array is created with the name of AR, then this, using that AR name, we create the data frame using the data frame function. So you will get the data frame with the help of array. Data frame is created. So this is the one more method where a data frame is created with the 2D array. So first of all 2D array is created, and then that array name, using that array name we create the data frame. So here you will get the output of the data frame which is already created with the help of array. Now the next method, creating a data frame object from a 2D dictionary with value as series object. Now the new method of creating data frame having with using the 2D dictionary with the value of series object. So first of all we will import Panda and create the series. In previous classes, series creation is already discussed, how the series can be created. So here the 3 series is created, 2 series is created. One is population and another is average income. Then per capita series is calculated with the average income and population. These two series, with the help of 2 series, population and average income per capita series is created. So we will first create the population series having the value of population and index as a Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. Second series is average income, and there also index is Delhi, Mumbai, and Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. So these 2 series is created, and one third series is created with the calculation with the help of population and average income. So after creating the series, we will create the dictionary. So here dictionary is created with the help of series already created, that is population, average income and per capita. आपको पता है कि डिक्शनरी में की और वैल्यू होता है, तो की that is the name of the column, population, average income, per capita. So population, which is written inside the inverted comma, population, average income and per capita income, ये सारे कीज़ है. और वैल्यू which is already created as series, population, average income and per capita, तो ये वैल्यू है. So then dictionary is created and using the dictionary name data frame is created. So here when you print the data frame, you will get this output, this data frame, which is created with the help of 2D dictionary with value as a series. So first of all, we will create the series, and then using the name of the series, we will create the dictionary, and then after creating dictionary, data frame can be created. So this is another method of creating data frame. Next method is creating data frame object from another data frame object. Means if you already created a data frame and you want to create new data frame with the existing data frame, then it is easily can be created. So you can use the existing data frame name with the help of data frame function. So give the existing data frame name, and then it is stored in the new data frame, that is df2. So df2 will have the new data frame created with the help of existing data frame. So when you print the df2, you will get the data frame which is already exist. So this is the end of the video. These were the different methods of creating data frame only. Right. Thank you very much.